Okay, 9D. And again, a little bit more factoring. Take a look at that first factor there. Look at the numerator, 2x cubed minus 4x squared. Okay, got two terms. First thing you look for is something that's common. Well, there's a 2x squared common, and that leaves me with an x minus 2. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else there. The denominator there. Now, see this x squared and this 9 thing. If you compare that to the previous question, that almost looks like a difference of squares, but we've got more information here. There's actually a common 3x to those terms, so I take out the 3x and I'm left with x minus 3. Okay. Remember the way multiplication works. I'm simply going to take this second factor and push it up against the first one. So x squared minus x minus 6, I'm just going to take its factors and just string them together. Because remember, that x there, that cross there, and simply the two brackets together, they both mean multiplication. So when I write it like this, it's still multiplied. It's going to be x and x. The factors of negative 6 will be negative 3 and positive 2. And they will add together to get me the negative 1. And then the denominator here, x squared minus 4, is x minus 2, x plus 2. And now what I'm doing is I got to look for those shared factors, numerator and denominator. I've got two factors. I'm going to put a comma here. X cannot equal, because I'm going to start to get rid of factors. X squared, there's two x's in the numerator, one in the denominator, so the squared goes away, and the x in the denominator goes away. That's as long as we don't allow x to be 0. I see an x minus 2, divide that by x minus 2 to get 1, so long as x does not equal 2. X minus 3 divided by x minus 3 equals 1, so long as x is not allowed to equal 3. X plus 2 divided by x plus 2 is 1, so long as we don't allow x to equal negative 2. Got a lot of restrictions here. That covers everything, and what I'm left with here is simply 2x over 3. Well, that reduces quite nicely. Okay. A bunch of restrictions, but a fairly simple result. And there's no further restrictions because there's no further variable in the denominator. Dividing by 3 is okay.